which statement is true about the graphed cubic function? Again, notice that if you turn your head a little bit and you look, you see a sideways S. That is the shape of a cubic function. And the choices down here, the first one says the function has one distinct real zero. Well, it does. It's right here as I try to point that. There on my iPad, that's not working very well. But as I try to point right here, where that graph crosses the x-axis, and then it says it has two complex zeros. I actually do think that that is the answer, and I don't think, I know that that is the answer. Cubic means to the third power, and that means that there's going to be 3 roots. And what we see is we cross the root one, we cross the x-axis one time. So there's 1 root, and we need 2 others. And we're never going to cross again. So we have to have a total of 3. We can see 1, which means that there's 2 other complex, which means that they are imaginary answers. If we look at the next one, again, I can recommend that you type it into Desmos. It is an easy way. And it says, which function has zeros at -2, -1, and 4? So if I flip over to Desmos and I turn on the first one, we have a 0 at -2, -1, and 1, 2, 3, 4. I got lucky. I think it is the first value. But let me just check the problem one more time. -2, -1, and 4. So just a real quick glance there. It's definitely not that, because we cross here, 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 and here. So it's not that one. Here's -4, 1, and 2. And then the last one, -4, -2, and -1. So again, it is that first choice when we go back to Desmos. But in terms of the order that I have it typed in, the x plus 2 squared is this one is the correct answer.